Hello everyone, this is Kedar Katre and I am the Technical Product Manager at RENU. Thanks for your overwhelming response on our first video about MQTT. In continuation of the series, we will be talking about our product of the month in this episode, which happens to be the HTML5 web-based product, the WP6. Let's get started. What exactly is WP6? WP6 is a web-based HMI that basically works as a thin client. It connects to a web server on the network and displays on the screen whatever is defined by the web server. The HMI basically functions in the same way as your web browser does that you use on your computer. We offer this thin client HMI in different sizes, 4.3 inch, 7 inch, and the 10.1 inch. The WP6 uses an HTML5 compatible web browser. The product also provides SVG support for seamless viewing. This product also, like many of our products, is CE certified and UL listed. Before delving into exactly how this HMI works, let's look at how conventional HMIs work. A PLC that controls the process holds important parameters in memory locations, which are called as tags. The PLC allows an external device to read these tags either using a serial port or a port on which a TCP connection is allowed. The HMI then reads these tags on the port on which it is connected to the PLC and displays these tag values. That is how a connection is achieved in most of the cases in a PLC HMI combination. So how does the WP6 differ from the conventional HMIs? You must all be used to browsing web pages on your computer using a web browser of your own choice. The web pages are pages that are made in HTML, CSS, PHP, and JavaScript, which are then loaded onto a web server that is located in the cloud servers. At your end, you simply put in the web server's IP address or the domain name in the address bar of the browser to access these pages. That is how you basically access a website. This communication happens over port 80 of the TCP IP network. Similarly, a PLC that is used in a manufacturing or a process environment writes the data to a centralized web server that can be accessed over the IP network. Using the WP6 HMI, this PLC data can be viewed and controlled over port 80. These kind of PLCs are specially used where IoT is being implemented and where industries are moving towards achieving the Industry 4.0 standard. Many PLCs usually come with built-in web servers so as to ease the user from investing and setting up a web server. RENU's products like FP4 Advanced HMI and FL100 also have inbuilt web servers. Now what all do I need in order to use a WP6 device? All I need is a 24 volts DC power supply and an Ethernet connection to the web server on its RJ45 port. In this demo that I'll be showing, I have set up a demo PLC that is writing to a Node-RED web server on my network. I have purposely taken a third-party web server to demonstrate that this device can function with any web server available in the market. The WP6, as mentioned earlier, will be connecting to the web server's IP address over port 80. So I have connected the Ethernet cable at the back of the device that connects to the Node-RED web server on my network. I have also connected the 24 volts DC power supply to power the WP6. After booting up the device, a countdown timer is shown if you want to enter the configuration mode. Click on the gear icon to do so. Once the configuration window opens up, click on the second icon from the top to open up the web application page. As you can see, I have entered the web address of my Node-RED server using the pop-up keyboard. Click on Save to save the changes and then click on the Home icon and then click on Exit. The device then restarts with the new configurations. This time, do not click on the configuration gear icon, and let the timer time out. The device then connects to the web server and shows the web pages that are designed. In this demo, I have shown a water flow control with tank level. I can pulse the valve to open and increase the flow and see the tank level increasing. So I basically have a PLC that is writing to a web server, and the WP6 is showing the screens as a thin client would do. You are also able to control the PLCs using its touchscreen interface. We at RENU Electronics design and manufacture a number of factory automation products. As you can see, we have a host of products specially designed for industrial automation needs. We produce HMIs, HMIs with IOs, PLCs, industrial PCs, gateways, remote IOs, and many more. Please let us know how you liked this video, and also let us know if you would like us to make many more of such informative videos. Please feel free to reach us at enquiry@renuelectronics.com about your questions regarding any of our products. Please like, share, and subscribe to our videos and let us know your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching.